Newsflash, news break. Hello everyone, this is Lynette with Grammy Crochet News, standing in again for Trish Mama Swift channel news and Nan from Nan's Next Knot news channel. I am sorry to report that my sister news channels, have become ill and can no longer do Luck of the Draw 6 again this week. So it was left up to me. I need to get healthier news channels as sister channels. So we have the numbers in the bowl, and I will pick the next number for Luck of the Draw, week 17. You have to do what you have to do in an emergency situation. Are you ready with this week's number? This week's number is number 2. Number 2. Now, as you saw, laid out on my table were all of my numbers. Number 2. This is our color this week. This is Lynette signing off with Grammy Crochet News, standing in for Trisha Mama Swift News and Nancy from Nan's Next Knots News. Feel better, ladies. Get well soon. Love you.